Good morning. Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. This time you've carved out for yourself is precious. This is your space, your moment, to reconnect, to reset, and to simply be. Let this be a gentle invitation. An invitation to begin your day not with urgency, but with intention, with peace, with presence. Take a moment now to find a comfortable position. You may be seated on a cushion, on a chair, or lying down if that feels right for you. Let your hands rest softly, on your knees or in your lap. Allow your shoulders to drop. Let your spine be tall, but not rigid. Feel the crown of your head gently lifting upward, as if a string is pulling you toward the sky. And now, close your eyes, or gently lower your gaze. Begin to turn inward, letting the outer world fade into the background. We are going to spend this time together, just being here, just breathing, just noticing. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in, fill your lungs fully, and slowly exhale. Again, a slow, deep breath in. And gently let it go. One more time. Inhale deeply, and exhale fully. Let your breath settle now. Return to its natural rhythm. There is no need to control it. Just notice. The breath is your anchor. It's always here for you. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the sensation of the air moving in and out. Cool air entering through the nose. Warm air leaving the body. Let that be your focus. If your mind begins to wander, and it will, that's perfectly okay. When you notice a thought arising, simply acknowledge it. No judgment, no attachment, and gently return your attention to the breath. Now, slowly bring your awareness to your body. Feel the weight of your body pressing into the seat. The ground beneath you supporting you completely. You are held. You are safe. Notice any sensations present in your body. Warmth, tingling, tension. Whatever is there, just observe. No need to fix or change anything. Just notice and allow. Bring your attention now to your face. Soften the muscles around your eyes. Unclench your jaw. Let your tongue rest gently in your mouth. Relax your neck, your shoulders. Let them melt away from your ears. Feel the softness begin to flow down your arms, to your elbows, your hands, all the way to the tips of your fingers. Now feel your chest, rising and falling with each breath. Feel the rhythm of life moving through you. Effortless, natural. Bring awareness to your belly. Let it soften. Let it expand as you breathe in, and gently fall as you breathe out. Notice your back, your spine lengthening with each inhale, settling gently with each exhale. Feel this sense of grounded ease traveling downward, through your hips, your thighs, your knees, all the way down your legs, to your ankles, your feet, to the tips of your toes. You are fully here, fully in your body, fully in this moment. Now, let us sit together in silence, letting the breath be our guide. If thoughts come, let them pass like clouds across the sky. Return to this breath, this moment. And now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to this space, back to the room around you, back to the sounds, the light, the air on your skin. Gently wiggle your fingers, your toes, inviting movement back into your body. If your eyes have been closed, you may blink them open when you're ready, or keep them softly closed, just a little longer. Take a deep, nourishing breath in, and exhale slowly. You've just given yourself the gift of presence, of stillness, of care. Carry this peaceful energy with you into the rest of your day. Let your actions be gentle, your thoughts be kind, your presence be steady and open. Remember, this calm you've touched is always within you. You can return to it anytime, with just a breath, a pause, a moment of stillness. Thank you for allowing me to guide you this morning. May your day unfold with clarity, with balance, and with peace. Be well, and go gently.